Hello, crypto enthusiasts and fans of the Bingx exchange. Welcome to this comprehensive guide on the best trading strategies you can employ on the Bingx platform to maximize your profits. In this video, we'll dive deep into various trading techniques, risk management approaches, and insider tips to help you navigate the volatile world of cryptocurrencies like a pro. Buckle up and get ready to learn how to make money with Bingx. Before we begin, let me introduce you to Bingx, a leading cryptocurrency exchange platform that offers a wide range of trading tools, features, and educational resources. Bingx is known for its user-friendly interface, robust security measures, and commitment to providing a seamless trading experience for both beginners and experienced traders alike. Now, let's start with the basics. One of the most fundamental trading strategies on Bingx is dollar cost averaging (DCA). This approach involves investing a fixed amount of money into a particular cryptocurrency at regular intervals, regardless of market conditions. By doing so, you can take advantage of price fluctuations and potentially lower your average purchase cost over time. Bingx offers a convenient DCA tool that allows you to set up automatic recurring buys, making it easy to implement this strategy. Moving on to more advanced techniques, consider implementing a grid trading strategy on Bingx. This approach involves setting multiple buy and sell orders at predetermined price levels, allowing you to buy low and sell high automatically. Grid trading can help you capitalize on market volatility and potentially generate consistent profits while also mitigating risk through proper position sizing. For those interested in leverage trading, Bingx offers a robust futures trading platform with up to 150x leverage. It's crucial to exercise caution and implement proper risk management techniques such as setting stop-loss orders and maintaining a healthy risk-reward ratio. Bingx's user-friendly interface and advanced charting tools can assist you in making informed trading decisions. Another powerful strategy that can be employed on Bingx is arbitrage trading. This involves taking advantage of price discrepancies across different exchanges or markets by simultaneously buying and selling the same asset at different prices. Bingx's advanced trading tools and API connectivity make it an ideal platform for executing arbitrage strategies efficiently. Don't forget to take advantage of Bingx referral program, which allows you to earn rewards for introducing new users to the platform. Simply share your referral code 911 with friends and fellow traders, and you'll receive a commission on their trading fees. This can be a great way to earn passive income while helping others discover the benefits of trading on Bingx. Risk management is paramount in the world of cryptocurrency trading, and Bingx offers several tools to help you mitigate risks. Consider implementing stop-loss orders to automatically exit positions if the market moves against you, and take advantage of Bingx's advanced charting tools to identify potential support and resistance levels. Stay up to date with the latest market news, trends, and analysis by following Bingx's educational resources and community forums. The platform offers regular webinars, trading tutorials, and market insights from industry experts, which can help you make informed trading decisions and stay ahead of the curve. Successful trading requires discipline, patience, and a solid understanding of market dynamics. Bingx provides you with the tools and resources you need to navigate the cryptocurrency markets with confidence. So, what are you waiting for? Sign up on Bingx using the referral code 911 and start your journey towards financial freedom today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable trading insights and strategies. Stay tuned for our next video where we'll delve into advanced technical analysis techniques tailored for the Bingx platform. Happy trading, and may the crypto markets be ever in your favor.